in class today, I asked you as part of your warm-up to go back to elementary school and remember your long division. So I asked that you take 4 and divide it into 1585 and to write the remainder as a fraction. If you haven't done that, go ahead and pause the video here and do that, and then come back here to see how you did. See if you remember this topic from elementary school. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look. So the first thing that we would want to do is ask ourselves, how many times will 4 divide into 1? And well, it won't. So we need to move on and say, how many times will 4 divide into 15? And the answer to that is that it'll divide in 3 times. Our next step is to take that 3 and multiply by 4 and write that multiplication product here. So 4 times 3 is 12, and then we're going to subtract 12 from 15 and get 3. So divide, multiply, subtract. The next step is to bring down the next term, which is an 8. Now we ask ourselves again, how many times will 4 divide into 38 this time? The answer is 9, so we write that and multiply 9 times 4 to get 36. Subtract again to get 2, bring down the next term, 5. Next, we ask ourselves, how many times will 4 divide into 25? The answer is 6. Multiply to get 24 and subtract to get 1. We're out of terms to bring down, so this is our remainder. Let's go ahead and label this and a couple of other things. So this is our remainder right here. This part at the top, kind of the main part of our answer, is called the quotient. The thing that we are dividing by is called our divisor. And finally, the thing that we are dividing into, this 1585, is called the dividend. And so as we write our answer, what we want to do is we want to write the quotient, so 396, and then put remainder over divisor, 1 over 4. So this is our final answer. Again, our remainder is the 1. Our divisor is the 4. And the main part of our answer is 396, which is the quotient.